we have a project of eMusic, which is a software application for music and video database. So, here's the outline given for what content are present in the project, and we're gonna go step by step, topic wise. First, we're gonna discuss about the problem statement and the aim and the objective. Now, listening music has always been a difficult and arduous task to achieve for the mass population before. People relied on tools such as radio or television, where the control of the type of song was not in their hand, or they had to purchase DVDs or CDs a permanent source of music. But ever since internet has come to our life, music has reached in a very easy manner to the masses and the crowds. So earlier it was a mandatory for downloading, but now we have provided an option for streaming the videos and the songs. Streaming video and music is a way of delivering audio and video without the usage of downloading directly. A music service uses method to provide songs that can be enjoyed on all types of different devices. Now, these formats can be made compatible to the system. Now the aim and the objective of the project is to develop an online web portal where the user can stream and listen music from a diverse collection of latest songs, albums, etc. The objective is to develop an efficient system so that the customer can make user profile, search to audio as well as video songs and make their own playlists. Now the feasibility analysis. Now the project uses PHP, HTML and JavaScript that is easily available online. Supporting the wide database, we have used MySQL. Creation of database is very feasible. And the maintenance of database also by the SQL. And last point is that the songs can be downloaded from the internet and then be uploaded on the website, which makes it easy for the administrator to update the collection as and when required. Now the scope of the projects. Online music portal is something that will redefine the experience of listening to music. So the portal will also keep updating its technique with changing trends and time. Like if user wants to create his own playlist, he can do it. If user wants to create his own different music collection for different occasions, he can do that also. The music player has incorporated features like play, pause, stop, or maybe volume control, etc. The process model that we have implemented is incremental process model. Now we have used this model because in our process model, the product will be designed and implemented and tested incrementally. This will continue until the product is completed. The product will be decomposed into a number of components, where each team member will build these components separately. This will allow partial utilization of the project and allow a long development time. Will avoid a long development time. We are not using waterfall model as the product delivery will be slower in that as the other team members should have to wait if had chosen this later. We are not using spiral as we do not be concerned over the risk management. Now the project schedule. The project schedule is basically the tabular presentation we have presented in form of a Gantt chart. This explains about the basic module, time span that it will require and develop so that we can integrate it separately in a one syntactical manner. WBS is the work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure is a tabular formation of decomposition of each module that will be assigned to a particular member of the team so that it can be later integrated into a single unit. Here we have presented the work breakdown structure. The functional requirements will be explained by my other teammates.
So this is the functional requirement. The functional requirement contains of basically two parts. The first part is the client side of the system. The client side of the system will be an application where the user interface is integrated into a music listening website or application. This application gathers information from user, investigates, and provides connection to the server. The application is client-side interface of the music store. It includes functionalities of the host music environment, such as playing music, pausing music, etc. This consists of various things. The first is requesting recommendations. The client-side application allows the user to request songs or music videos and interact with the server to retrieve that particular song or video. It also evaluates songs. It must be able to evaluate songs and send appropriate information to the user. Another one is investigating the user. So the system will follow interaction of users with music and send these to obtain back to the server. It also displays this recommendation. After investigating, the user will see the server will see whatever the user wants, and that same category of music collection he or she will recommend. This will be provided by a proper way by providing as required. The second part is the server. The server-side system will hold the entire data in the SQL database. It must include all functionality to perform operations on this database. It receives requests from the clients, evaluates and creates, etc. It also enables the admin to generate report which contains all the posts and their corresponding replies. The functional requirements have two case diagrams that are shown below. The first one is for the new user registration. The new user will register. There is an option given to him. He will enter his details and then check his details, and finally all these details will be saved. He will be given a username and a password. The second one is for the existing user. The existing user already has his details, so he will just log in into the login page, enter his details. If these details will be matched with the database, it will see if the login is a success, it will show that it is a success. If it's an error, it will show that it is an error, and it will request the user to register. These are the few points that are required. First is the authenticate and login user to the web app. The second one is that it enables users to register to the tech support of the system. Third, it enables the registered user to change his password if he forgets his password. Then he enables the registered user to update his profile, which includes his location, skills, and profile picture. It also enables the registered users to view his profile. Additional information like questions asked by him and answers posted by him are also displayed. Then there are various non-functional requirements. The non-functional requirements of the system are explained below. First is the performance requirement, accuracy. Since we all get the non-functional requirements of the system are explained as below as performance requirements and design constraints. Performance requirements, accuracy. We all know that accuracy is very important. Since we will give the priority to accuracy of the software, the performance of music application will be based on its accuracy on recommendation. The next important part of non-functional requirements is failure handling. System components may fail independently of others. Therefore, system components must be built so that they can handle the failure as the other components don't depend on them. Openness. The system should be extensible to guarantee that it is useful for a reasonable period of time. Then there is security. Very sensitive information should be kept very safely. A login system must be designed so that unauthorized users cannot access the website. Every information on database must be secured. The usability is such that the interface should be very simple to use. System is user-friendly, self-explanatory, and also it provides with a help guide. This system can be used by musicians, music lovers, as well as movie enthusiasts. Anyone who wants to get themselves updated about fresh releases about any movie, song, or trailer. The website is designed so that the user finds it easy to use by following guideline options so as to navigate around the web. Reliability is very important. The system cannot be relied upon completely, but we have to try to attain maximum reliability. Reliability will also be higher since we try to attain maximum accuracy. Immediate retrieval of information should be there. Maintaining proper and updating the database to improve reliability. There should be accuracy. The information provided in the database must be used by the user to be and should be correct. It should also have minimum errors. Another non-functional functional requirement is the performance. The performance requires speed, as it should be as fast as possible. The throughput should be maximum. The capacity should be high, and the resource utilization should be there so that the resources should be modified according to the user requirements. Then the memory space should be there, as we will try and keep updating the songs in our database, any new music, trailer, album release, etc. The memory should be so high that we are able to accommodate all these things. The supportability should also be there, compatibility, security, robustness, and maintenance. The administrators must maintain the.
So we're going to next talk about the stakeholder identification. So the stakeholders are basically people or the parties who are involved in making the music application work, or the people who manage the website. We have shown a dramatically representation of the stakeholder in the below diagram. As you can see, user 1, user 2 and user 3 are a client terminal and making use of the utility of our website, and we've got an ad software and database administrator who is looking after the whole system that it functions efficiently and perfectly without any flaw or error or dependency. So now we can conclude the project, and the project majorly established all the objectives. The music application successfully creates a database of collection and facilitates easy retrieval of songs searched by the user. This application makes entertainment easily reach out to large masses and organize the wide range of music efficiently. Now this is the next generation thing that we can observe for the near future to come. The references are basically IEEE journals, Wikipedia, Garan.com, Wink Music, and thank you. It was great doing the project.